So Cloud CRM has a digital punch card solution. Let me demonstrate how that works. So we have a digital coupon program, and in the active ones we have in-store digital coupon program. I have mine set to repeat customers, all of them, and let's say we're gonna do 5 visits, and then after 5 visits we're going to give our customers $50, right? And that $50 never expires and it can be spent on anything inside our store. So we've turned that on, and now here's my first visit, right? I'm gonna grab my beer and it's gonna age verify me, right? And so that event of age verification can also be used as a loyalty check-in, right? So I can say that this is the loyalty customer, and so the customer is added to this transaction. Now we can continue with, right, so I'll pay with cash, and what will happen on the receipt is a couple of things. Right, because we did the age verification, it will tell me that my age was verified by driver's license scan, and then it'll say thanks for visit, one more visit to receive a $50 coupon. I've already had a few visits clocked, and so that's why 5 visits, you know, gives me another 5. And so let me just do one more visit, and we'll actually get to see the coupon. Again, I'm gonna use my driver's license again as a loyalty customer, like that, and this is going to be my transaction where I actually get the coupon. So we'll see what that looks like. There we go. There's the coupon. The coupon is ready.